Welcome to Fluffball Fables. Today we're taking a quiet walk through a garden of poems where flowers bloom in every color and springtime whispers its gentle song. Let's tiptoe through tulips and daffodils while we listen to Vivaldi's Spring Concerto. Are you ready, little explorers? Let's begin. Spring by Christina Rossetti. There is no time like spring when life's alive and everything. Birds sing sweetly in the trees, buds bloom and dance in the breeze. The earth wakes up with a gentle sigh. Hello, spring. You've returned to the sky. The Rose by Christina Rossetti. The lily has a smooth stalk, will never hurt your hand. But the rose upon her briar is lady of the land. With petals soft and colors grand, she rules the blooming flower band. Poppies by Mary Dow Brine. Poppies, poppies in the field, crimson petals softly yield, dancing when the warm winds blow like tiny flames that come and go. A sea of red, so bright, so wide the sleepy flowers side by side. Answer to a Child's Question by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Do you ask what the birds say? The sparrow, the dove, the linnet and thrush say, I love and I love. They sing of sunshine, nests, and skies and whisper spring with happy cries. Daffodils by William Wordsworth. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high o'er vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Sunflower by Lydia Maria Child. Thou tall and stately sunflower, with thy broad and burnished face, thou turnest to the sun above, and fillest all the place. Thy golden crown, so proud and high, reaches up to kiss the sky. The Dandelion by Clara Smith. Dear common flower that growst beside the way, fringing the dusty road with harmless gold, first pledge of blithesome May, how nobly, thou with thy gay head unrolled, speaks nature's love and joy to young and old. Spring Quiet by Christina Rossetti. Gone were but the winter, come were but the spring, I would go to a covert where the birds sing, and in the blossom meadow, sweet silence everything. Forget Me Not by Mary E. Neal. A tiny flower of azure hue, nestled low beneath the dew, with gentle grace and petals fair, it whispers soft into the air. Forget me not. It seems to say a bloom of love in springtime's day. A Child's Calendar excerpt by Eveline Stein. April, the roofs are shining from the rain. The sparrows twitter as they fly. And with a windy April grace, the little clouds go scudding by. Spring whispers through the silver sky. The Song of the Violet by Jane Taylor. Down in a green and shady bed, a modest violet grew. Its stalk was bent. It hung its head, as if to hide from view. And yet it was a lovely flower, its color bright and blue. The Crocus by Hannah Flagg Gould. Crocus, crocus, golden, gay, first to greet the smiling day. Breaking through the frosty ground, spreading purple joy around. Tiny trumpet of the spring, what happy song you seem to sing. A Spring Song by William Allingham. The air is full of sunlight. The ground is full of flowers. The rivers run in gladness through happy springtime hours, and all the world rejoices in sunshine warm and bright. The little seeds, the sleepy buds, the buzzing bees in flight. Thank you for walking through the garden with us today. We hope these poems brought petals to your heart and sunshine to your smile. There is always a little magic in a flower, a breeze, and a verse. Join us next time on Fluffball Fables, where gentle stories grow one poem at a time.